Hello guys, today I'm making a random video. uh, I just bought a piece of tech. So it's a very old piece. Its name is Thermolysis Beauty Shape and it looks very old. Here's the circuit board. I bought this for making my lab bench power supply. uh, I had made almost all the circuits and I bought the transformer and everything was almost ready. I just wanted a case, so I went to the junkyard and bought this. I didn't know what this was at first. I just took a piece of box as this looked so beautiful. I was planning to cut here the voltmeter and the knobs here, like that I was planning. But after seeing the circuit inside, I understood that, look, there's a coil here. It's an inductor. Come, look. Let me show you. Coil is found here with the transformer. AC cable 220 volt will go there, coming to the transformer, then to a bridge rectifier over this side, then to the capacitor, and then to this transistor. I can't read this transistor's name properly. It's almost not visible proper. It's not clear due to the dirt. This was looking awesome, so I just searched in the web what thermolysis is, and I found this documentary about. It's not a documentary. I just found one website saying what this was, and what this website says is that the thermolysis was a device used for hair removal, and it was used by Dr. Bordier of Paris, and he started using this in 1923. And so, as this piece looks very old, I think it's from 1950s or something. Look, I'll tell you what this device do. So at first they taking the AC voltage from here, then step down to some 12 volt, which is fed into this capacitor and bridge rectifier over here using the 4 diodes. Then that voltage is driven through this. I think this is a MOSFET. This one is a power MOSFET maybe, and this 5-watt resistor. So this device basically transforms a 220 volt 50 to 60 hertz AC to some 12 volt DC at first over here using the bridge rectifier, and after converting from the 12 volt DC after converting the 220 volt to DC 12 volt or something, I don't know correct value. I can't just plug this in. I think it's dangerous as this transformer might have been damaged, as there is no bad marks over here. So then from 12 volt DC it converts that into AC. It's written here. Wait. I'll just search and tell fast. Okay. This converts the 12 volt DC to 12.83 megahertz frequency, which is of radio wave, and it comes out through the probe here. A probe is plugged in here. I don't have that probe. I didn't get it. It's high frequency HF, and you could adjust this knob here. I had this knob too. I just removed that. Okay, So this device basically transforms this 120 volt AC to radio frequencies of 13 megahertz, and this 13 megahertz is used for hair removal in medical purposes, as the probe coming out from here is just placed onto the skin, and due to the high frequency it makes the molecules of your skin vibrate very vigorously, and due to that vibrations your skin's tissue will get heated, and due to that heat that tissue will burn out, and due to that your hair follicles will stop growing. Look how skin damage, it's written, there is a big, look, many things are written here. I'll just give the link of this website in the description. You can just go and read this complete thing. I don't want to make this video a very long one, so this just basically used for hair removal purposes. And as this looked cool, I was planning to keep this, but I don't know how to use it, so I'm just going to remove completely everything. I will remove the transformer and this, and in place of this I am going to install my power supply. I'll just show you that. So this is my transformer, this is my new power supply module. The video is going to come out soon. I have to drill over here in this part and the voltmeter and all, so it might take some time. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and please comment down below if you know anything more about this device.